Hello guys again, and today we've got these two products for unboxing, reviewing and testing. This is the Parkside Carbide Holesaw set model PLSS2A1 and the Parkside Bimetal Holesaw set, the same model. We got 9 pieces inside of this set. Material thickness is 1.2 millimeters, max cutting depth is 25 millimeters. Here it is thickness 1.2 millimeters and cutting depth is 38 millimeters. Well, let's see what are they doing. Well, the first one, it is ideal for cutting tile, stone, lightweight, concrete, mortar and drywall. 6 Holesaw 22, 28, 35, 44, 68 and 73 millimeters. The other one, it is ideal for cutting aluminium, acrylic, bronze, wood, copper, PVC, tin plate and zinc. 6 Holesaw 22, 28, 35, 44, 68 and 73 millimeters. And let's see. For the first one, we have a nice strong box. There we got some manuals, some protective. Here's the Holesaw. We have an Allen key and we have 2 pilot drill bits. There it is. With the Allen key you can adjust here the depth of the drilling. Let's say we want to install that. Very easy, just put in here. And you can screw it very tight. And what it was all about. Of course we are going to test it. Now let's move on to the other one. Same box. Some manuals. And in here we have 2 pilot drill bits. 12.2 and 15.3 millimeters. Here is a little bit different. You need to screw that. But first, to do that you need to unscrew this bolt and they will release these 2 pins. That's what you need to do that. Then you can screw it again. And here you screw that and it will reveal the 2 pins. Tight it enough and you're good to go. That's nice. And I can see we've got another one here. And it goes here. Then you can install the other one there. Of course, to install the other that is smaller in the diameter, you take out that again and install directly here. Well, I think it's time for testing into the wood that, and the other one I can testing on a tile and in a soft concrete, maybe in a brick wall. Why not? Now I'm going to test it with this 68 millimeter Holesaw on this hard tile. Well guys, that was all. It took longer than I expect. Of course it is a hard tile, but it done the job. Perfect hole. And next we have this brick, soft brick, and I will test it with the 73mm Holesaw, and we're gonna find out how it works. And as you can see, it can drill this soft brick with no problem. Next I'm going to drill this soft tile with a 22mm Holesaw. And we can see the hole is 100% perfect. And now it's time to testing the wood, and I will use the 68mm Holesaw. And we've got a nice and clean cut. Now I'm going to use this wood. And then I'm going to use the 73mm Holesaw. And again we have a perfect hole. And now I'm going to use this 38mm countertop, and I will cut it with the 73mm Holesaw. And now, as you can see, we've got a clean cut of this 38mm countertop. And for the last, we've got this plastics, is like a PVC. We can see how it will cut it. I will change it to the 22mm Holesaw. And of course, with no problem, it can cut and the PVC plastic. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside bimetal Holesaw set and the carbide hollow set. It cost only 15 euros and 15 euros. And you can see into the video the work that it can do. Success 100% for me. Well, if you need something like that to your place, to do a DIY job, to do some projects that you have into your mind, maybe you need to make a hole into your countertop to install something, why not just buy it, put it into your garage, and someday you may need it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And don't forget, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day and enjoy the video.